Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Sidatul Tafiani. People usually often call me Vivin. And now I want to present the current research material in ELT from Made Harry Santosa through the following PPT that I have completed. Okay, first is introduction. Research in the field of ELT, English language teaching, has undergone many changes over time. This change include perspectives, goals, teaching approaches, curriculum content, and teacher roles and responsibilities. Increased technological competence and the application of content besides learning have also become a major focus. These trends reflect adjustment to global dynamics and 21st century skill development needs. Okay, the next slide is to specify the current research prescriptions identified 8 major trends in the current ELT research studies. And the first is changing perspectives on English teaching and learning. And second is change in goals of English teaching and learning. And the next, change in approaches to teaching. And the next, change in teaching content curriculum, design and assessment. And next, expanding the dimension of communicative competence. And the next, change views of an effective English educator. Next is rapid development and integration of information technologies in ELT. And then changing rules and increasing responsibilities of teachers. Okay, first is changing perspective on English teaching and learning, and focus on issues of bilingualism, multilingualism, and native speakerism. And then ELT has undergone change in recent decades, including issues of bilingualism, multilingualism, and native speakerism. The role of English has changed from being a second language to a language developed through different cultures and contexts. Okay, the next slide is change in goals of English teaching and learning, and emphasis on students' social responsibility in a global context. The focus of ELT is not only on linguistic aspect but also on developing students' social responsibility in a globalized world. And the importance of mastering soft skills such as communication, collaboration, creativity, and critical thinking, as well as character values to prepare students for global challenge. Okay, the next slide is change in approaches to teaching and integration of different methods and assumption in teaching activities. The post-methods era emphasizes eclecticism in teaching using a variety of different and innovative language learning activities. And teachers are encouraged to develop methods that are adaptive and relevant to students' needs. Okay, the next slide is change in teaching content, curriculum, design, and assessment. More content and theme besides curriculum design with an emphasis on language and content knowledge. Emphasis on content and language integrate learning or CLEL, English medium interaction, and English for specific purpose. Textbooks and learning materials include more multicultural content using both local and global researches. Curriculum design is more content besides and theme besides, embracing both language and content knowledge. Learning outcomes and standards are both including the development of critical thinking skills, learning strategies, and related content knowledge and skills in the real world. The next slide is expanding the dimension of communicative competence. Expanding the dimension of communicative competence. Focus on multicultural competence and intercultural communication competence. Language teaching focuses not only on linguistic skills but also on social, cultural, and pragmatic skills. Teaching approaches recognize the variation and diversity in the use of English in different contexts. Research focus on developing intercultural competence and effective communication skills in multilingual and multicultural environment. The next slide is changing views of an effective English educator. A use of digital technology to improve teaching and learning. The definition of an effective English teacher is evolving with the changing views of communicative competence and intercultural competence. Recent studies in which English as a lingua franca, translanguaging, and the role of non-native English-speaking teachers emphasize that an effective teacher should be evaluated besides on their linguistics, instructional, and intercultural competencies rather than their native linguistic identity. Their native linguistic identity is a rapid development and integration of information technology in ELT. Professional development activities that help teachers up the teaching and assessment skills. The rapid development of technology has significantly impacted English language teaching. Technologies like artificial intelligence or AI, virtual and augmented realities, blended learning, gamification, mobile apps, and the internet provides new ways for teachers to prepare lessons and engage students. This integration allows for real-life issues to be brought into the classroom, encouraging students to use language in diverse ways and connecting learners globally. However, teachers must guide students on how to select, analyze, and use the right information to achieve their learning goals. It is changing rules and increasing responsibilities of teachers. An English language teaching that addresses sustainability and inclusion in the curriculum. In the 21st century classroom, teachers have evolved roles and facilitators and creators of a productive learning environment. They use collaborative content besides and project beside curricula to help students develop higher order thinking skills, effective communication, and technological knowledge. Teachers also collaborate with peers from different disciplines and engage in professional development to stay updated with new teaching methods and assessment strategies. This evolution prepares teachers to be reflective practitioners and equips students to be effective English users and responsible global citizens. Slide is conclusion. About the material, ELT research continues to evolve along with change in learning objectives, student focus, soft skills development, and technology integration. This change reflects the need to adapt teaching to the demand of a globalized world and advancing technology. And that's all from me. If I have a mistake, I apologize about my mistake. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.